Welcome to Kangaroo, Week 6, Problem 1. Observe the pattern of the following sequence and fix the missing numbers. So we have a sequence here, and we need to find out the pattern. So it's obvious, two numbers, we can find these two numbers actually have a pattern. So 4 equals 2 square. Oh, 1 equals 1 square, of course. So then 16 equals 4 square. And then we have 5, right? So then should it be 5 square 25? That missing number should be 25. Of course, we have another pair is 36 equals 6 square. So that's a 25. Problem 2, a rectangle is divided into 4 squares if the perimeter of square C is 4. Okay, so perimeter of square C is 4. So be careful, it's not side length. So then we know the side length of the square C is 1. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? Okay, so we have the side length 1 of the square C. So we have a 1 here, 1 here. So for the square B, then we have side length is 2, have 2. So this is 1 and 2. So these two together, so we have the width is, okay, the width, the whole width is 3. Okay, so then we have 2 here. And for the square A, so the side length is 1 plus 2 is 3, then 3. So for the length of the rectangle, so 3 plus 2 is 5. So then the perimeter of the rectangle would be 3 times 2, and or 5 times 2 and 3 times 2, 16. Okay, which is D, 16. Problem 3, in how many ways can we line up 2 identical red balls and 2 identical blue balls? Okay, so this is supposed to be blue. So let's just write as blue. Okay. So, okay, so then we have 2 identical red balls and the blue balls. So how many ways we can write up? Okay, so let's just write red as R and the blue as B. Okay, so we can put 2R together and 2B together. So we have RRBB, then the same thing, so BBRR. Okay, then we have 2 ways. Then we can put 1R, 1B, and 1R, 1B. So RB, RB, then we have BR, BR. And we can have the way like this. So we have take the blue balls and 2 red balls in the middle. Okay, so then we have 1 red balls and 2 blue balls and the red. Total, we have 6 ways. Okay, so answer is E. Problem 4. Evan has 38 storybooks. His brother, Ted, has 20 books. How many books should Evan give to his brother so that they will have the same number of books? Okay, so let's say Evan. Okay, Evan has, oh, no. Okay, so Evan has 38. Okay, so this is 38 books Evan had. And Ted, his brother Ted had 20 books. Okay, this is 20 books. So the difference between the books Evan has and then the books Ted has is this part, okay? So which is 38 subtract 20 equals 18. So this is 18. So let's think about it. How many books should Evan give to his brother so that they will have the same number of the books? So we only need to divide 18 by 2. Okay. 9, right? So we split this 18 into 9 and 9. So we just give 9 books, this part, to Ted. 9. So they will have the same number of books, right? So that is a 9 then. Okay, so 9. So let's check it. So Evan has 38. So then we give 9 to the brother Ted. So that equals 29. So brother Ted has 20 books. And the plus 9 books from Evan, so it's 29 also. So then 9 is correct. Problem 5. Friend has $100. After he bought 3 pens of same kind, he has $61 left. How many such kinds of pens can he buy at most with $100? Okay, so we have $100. So after he bought 3 pens, there's $61 left. So how much does 3 pens cost? So we just need to use 100 subtract 61 equals 39. That is for 3 pens. Okay, so how much for 1 pens cost? 39 divided by 3 equals 13. So for 1 pen. Then the question is, how many such kinds of pens can he buy at most with $100? So we use $100 divided by 13. So we got is 7, remainder 9. Okay. So that means if he used $100 to buy such kind of pens, he can buy at most 7 pens and with $9 left. So which is 7 pens is the C. Problem 6. Jack paid $85 to buy 2 basketballs and 3 footballs. Cedric paid $90 to buy 3 basketballs and 2 footballs from the same sports store. That means the basketballs and footballs, they will have the same price. How much does it cost to buy 1 basketball and 1 football in dollars? Okay, so let's organize the information first. So Jack, $85, okay? So $85, he bought 2 basketball, okay? B, and 3 football, okay? F. And Cedric paid $90 buy 3 basketball, B, and 2 football. Okay, so two football. Okay, so question is asked, how much does it cost to buy 1 basketball and plus 1 football? Okay, so let's look at these information. So we found out if we add these 2 purchase, so we have 5 basketball, okay, 5B plus 5 football equals 85 plus 90, so equals 175. So okay, so then we can have factor out 5. So 1 basketball plus 1 football equals 175 divided by 5. So that is equals 30 Okay, the answer is $35, which is C. Problem 7. Number A is 10 less than half of number B, and the number B is 2 more than half of number C. If C equals 60, what is the number A? Okay, so we have 3 numbers, A, B, C. So number A is 10 less than half of the number B. So half of the number B is 1/2 times B, and the 10 last Z, okay? So then number B is 2 more than half of number C. So half number C, 2 more. So we need to plus 2. Okay, 2 more than half of number C. Okay, so number C equals 60. So because we have number C, so we can calculate for number B. So 1/2 times 60 plus 2 is equals to 32. Okay, so then we calculate for the number A. 1/2 times 32 minus 10, that is 16 minus 10 is 6. So the answer is 6. Then the answer is 6. It's B.